Hi viewers. Today let's see what is Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Why they are called so. Their history and what are the differences between both. Which is better, Black Friday or Cyber Monday? Before exploring the topic, I would request you to subscribe 5 Minutes Learning channel in YouTube and support me to post more such videos. Also by subscribing, you can keep track of my video updates. For your better understanding, I have enabled this video with English subtitles. Now let's move to the topic. In the late 19th century, President Abraham Lincoln designated the Thanksgiving holiday as the last Thursday in November. In 1905, Canadian department store, Attons began the first Thanksgiving Day parade, by bringing Santa, on a wagon through the streets of downtown Toronto. In 1924, the Attons parade inspired Macy's department store to launch its famous Thanksgiving Day parade in New York City. The parade boosted shopping for the following day. In the 1950s, people began calling in sick the day after Thanksgiving, essentially giving themselves a 4-day weekend. In 1966, the Black Friday name became famous in print, after a story which appeared in an ad in the American Philatelist, a stamp collector's magazine. The Philadelphia Police Department had used the name to describe the shopping chaos at downtown stores. With all that shopping activity, the Friday after Thanksgiving became one of the most profitable days of the year. So, Black Friday now means Profitable Friday to retailing, and to the rest of the economy. It's because retail and consumer spending drive almost 70% of U.S. gross domestic product. According to the National Retail Federation, 84.2 million people shopped in stores on Black Friday in 2019, and 37.8 million people shopped in stores on Thanksgiving Day, in the year 2005. The first Monday after Thanksgiving was designated as Cyber Monday by Shop.org. At that time, not everyone had high-speed internet connections. As connection speeds have gotten faster, online shopping has increased, especially on Cyber Monday. It was the biggest shopping day of the year, in both 2017 and in the year 2018. Surpassing Black Friday. Cyber Monday shopping has started earlier every year. Nearly a third of shoppers begin Cyber Monday on the day before. Top stores like Walmart, Amazon, and Target start Cyber Week sales on Thanksgiving Day itself. The best way to get in on their deals is to sign up for their email newsletters. Generally, tech products are more widely discounted than anything else on this day. This slide shows the statistics and sales data of Black Friday and Cyber Monday. On Black Friday, on an average, shoppers expected to spend $1,007.24 each. In that, they will spend $637.67 on gifts. Another $215.04 will go for food, decorations, flowers, and greeting cards. They will also spend $154.53 to take advantage of the seasonal deals and promotions. Here are the past 15 years of retail sales data. The average annual increase is 2.5%, due to the steep 4.6% decline in 2008. Before the 2008 financial crisis, the 10-year average annual increase was 3.5%. Cyber Monday has set new records each year since its inception. Since 2009, Cyber Monday sales have seen more than an 8-fold increase. Cyber Monday is now even bigger than Black Friday retail sales. In the year 2019, Cyber Monday were expected to top $10 billion, and came mighty close at $9.4 billion in total. In 2019, 83.3 million people shopped online on Cyber Monday, compared to 93.2 million on Black Friday. In 2019, Cyber Monday was the second most popular shopping day of Thanksgiving week, with 50% of consumers shopping during Thanksgiving week say they will shop Cyber Monday sales, compared to the 61% who say they'll shop on Black Friday. Even though Cyber Monday is giving Black Friday a run for its money. In 2019, Cyber Monday digital spending beat Black Friday digital spending by about $2 billion. This slide explains the merits of both Black Friday and Cyber Monday. First, let's see the pros of Black Friday. 1. You can actually see the products, what you are buying, and measure it, or try it before buying. 2. Not everything that's on sale on Black Friday will be available on Cyber Monday. 3. You get to go out with your friends or spouse for fun. 4. You can browse the aisles and find sales for things you may have forgotten you wanted. 5. Some special Black Friday sales offers are not available online, or unadvertised surprises. 6. You don't have to worry about order cancellation. Finally, no shipping fees, as you purchase from stores directly. On the other hand, Cyber Monday gives you another opportunity to take advantage of discounts, if you missed it during Black Friday. 2. You will be able to easily compare prices online. 3. You can shop comfortably from anywhere. 4. You can avoid waiting in queue and crowd. Now let's see the cons of Black Friday and Cyber Monday. 1. Black Friday stresses out people, such as possibly missing out on a deal, or a hot ticket item. 2. Some of the merchandise is on the lower end. 3. Prices may continue to drop as the holiday season approaches. 4. It's too easy to overspend amid the buying frenzy. 5. It's crowded and you have to wait in lines early in the morning for store to open. 6. If you show up later, there is a good chance that the best items will be sold out already. Finally, real bargains may be limited in quantity and sold to early bird shoppers. On the other hand, on Cyber Monday shopping, you can't see items in person, so it may not be exactly what you ordered it for. 2. You will have to wait for shipping. 3. Some people hate returning purchase by mail. 4. Websites could crash due to online traffic, or immediate sellout of a product. 5. Customers want express shipping, which is not available with all the sellers. Following are the list of items that are recommended to buy during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. During the Black Friday there will be deals on the following products: household appliances, grills, TVs, gaming consoles, smartphones, Apple products, Blu-ray movies. During the Cyber Monday there will be deals on the following products: small appliances like dryer, trimmer, clothing, travel deals, headphones, speakers, toys, laptops, beauty products. Following are the 3 thumb rules, which you should keep in mind when shopping during Black Friday or Cyber Monday. 1. Shop expensive items in Black Friday, and shop on Cyber Monday for gadgets. 2. Go to big retailers on Black Friday for major stores except for Amazon, and shop from resellers on Cyber Monday. 3. Shop on Black Friday for this year's product, and shop Cyber Monday for old generation products. Thank you all for watching this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please support me by subscribing 5 Minutes Learning channel in YouTube to keep in track of my new video updates.